Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya
Ka kanunyo lekai football on the 17 na ka Mynken Christian Higher Secondary School Bahirambang Pynkhreh bhaya ladi bandai yashim binta haki Indo French football tournament kuban salong hakanong ba Paris Jonkeri France nadukar pusautrek hadu kala potrik leber arajar pausan haki jialang kabalong haka Hotel Center Point Shillong haka arpu atruk leber arajar pausan uba hamlet san dotling ubalong advisor jo umindirang ba ka jelau konrad ki sangma lapen pau gu sngo kamen bagani kin hun kan yo lat ben pin pau yo ga jong ka sap ka phong haka international level bat haka jo ko por lakit bokit riang ru ye kin hun barwan pha shala yeng bat ka jingjam haka ni gasngi asa khilang da director jaga transport and youth affairs udiki shira kadi kin hun ye kai football jong ka Mynken Christian Higher Secondary School Ribhoi district klasha khot sngo bha bani shimbinta haka second edition jong ka Indo French football tournament kalong lingba ka jingpin bet jong ka Subroto Mukherjee Sport Education Society
Not possible if the team hadn't received that kind of preparation time that we had before the national participation. A huge thank you to the directorate for all the arrangements for the pre-competition training and the competition in Delhi as well. None of this would also have been possible without all the key stakeholders, the sports associations, Meghalaya Football Association, the football clubs, schools active in football development, the school's initiative of the Grassroots centers all over the state are very much responsible in contributing the identification and development of football in the state. And as we embark on this mission, I would like to speak a bit on the remarkable performance of the under-17 boys of Mynken Higher Secondary School, Bahirambang, Ribhoi district. Incredibly a wonderful feeling for me from all angles. The under-17 category is the most challenging category in the international Super Cup that we have witnessed in the last few years. The last time we could win the cup was in 2019. So this time around in 2024 we were runners-up. It's overwhelming to me at this Super Cup competition altogether. Now that it has opened up this opportunity to now compete at the international level comprehensively at Paris, France. Most would be jealous of Mynken Higher Secondary School or of Ribhoi district or our state of Meghalaya, but probably not jealous of the reason how we have happened to achieve it.
Very happy moments and a proud moments to the state of Meghalaya. For this venture, I would also like to thank the state governments and our sports minister and all the stakeholders, the MFA, SSA, Lajong and all the other clubs for their support and assistance. Now it's up to the team to go to France to learn and to get exposed not only to football but even to the culture, the way of life. And after learning, after getting exposed, they have to come back, they have to execute in their future matches, and they have to inculcate in their way of life. They have to share with their friends, with their juniors. So it's a very good opportunity for the team to get exposed to France. From the Department of Sport and Youth Affairs, we will always continue to support and assist in whatever we can. This kind of course, this kind of venture in the future also. So enjoy the trip. My best wishes to you. I would also like to convey our best wishes from Honorable Minister, who could not be here because of his busy schedule. But I will also convey back to him that we had a nice send-off program. So once again, my best wishes to all of you. Just bring back only the good memories. As you all know, as we go as a group, and if we move outside, we always encounter inconveniences, problems, and we may have to follow some rules. We have to stick to the time. So once again, my best wishes to all of you. Thank you.
I think it will be a common resolution that we further work on the grassroots of Meghalaya football, and jointly, both from the government, MFA, SSA, different state and district associations, and all the grassroots football clubs of Meghalaya, we all have to work together towards creating football players that will wear the blue jersey. And to see a local boy wear that blue jersey and play in Shillong is, I think, our next dream and agenda. At Rajong, we are proud to state that every Khasi boy who has played for the Indian senior national team has started his journey in Rajong. So we are very well aware of what it is required to build players, to spot players, to nurture players, and what are the qualities that are required for players to make it to the highest level. This is where I'd like to share to you that as you embark on this journey and as champions or runners-up of the Super Auto Cup, it means that each and every one of you have an opportunity to move forward and climb up the ladder of football, not only in the state but in the entire country. I was sitting with Ivan Dolling and watching the match. So he helped me identify young boys in that team who I was not aware of. And I asked him, so Ivan, what is your current take home in Kerala? You might not forgive me for this, but in football, salaries are transparent. We all know how much Messi gets, we all know how much Ronaldo gets. So why not know what Ivan Dolling gets? 95 lakhs. 95 lakhs is his 1 year salary as of now. Next year it'll cross 1 crore. And that is a top ISL player from Meghalaya, not yet the national team. Sana Kongsham is on an 8 crore contract for 5 years. Vishal Kate is above 2 crores per year. Mahesh Singh is above 2 crores per year. So just these 3 boys alone in the national team are on figures which are unbelievable. So what I want to say is that the dream is not only in Europe anymore. Yes, in Europe it's in millions of dollars, but the dream has reached India. And each and every one of you have this opportunity today. And let me tell you, these boys were close to nothing when they were training with us. But that is the reality of football today. So I wanted to share this with all of you, with the future of Meghalaya players, to know that there's a huge opportunity for us today. Because it's for the first time that the state, the associations, the district associations, and the football clubs are working in tandem towards taking Meghalaya football forward. Let's take this opportunity, work together, and further build on developing not only Meghalaya football, but developing Indian football forward.
Jom ka Mynken Christian Higher Secondary School, ibalik pansimata hamtian po Paris, pedigani ka kabuksiar nota jumpi wait ko ibaro, let chtie, long ibra kodan buram, long ibra discipline, but kemau kajire, haban trestom, haban milan, but one numbo yel jom hapo, baro ngidei kibrio, warong bakidei kim baro France, po Spain, kin kamla banyapi. Ni baro ni dei kiju kibrio but mau ni jat berjugi apa ke dalam Meghalaya ke jom dikasi ni dei kibrio ki basata Ibriu ibayale. But way bingile ngile banjo. Kila banjrong karenyang kamile. Kebangsan kalong kamen siang jongki bidon. Kasap kapong ka blay YP pendon kampan kapor kapabiang pa. Menta bidon kat nyosnen. Si bonba kakata pikiran don. Sebab pendon kami nak kasap kapong jongpi nabang scam kami rak lepi. Barhot aku ingasi kami rak ru. Ya kejela jadi aku beri bar kejung kai football. To blay undar kat wapi Lalu bagi minang ni, undang kat kerja jompi, poin tiada bersuara sain, bila kai pelat nak jemaah, jemaah, but kipat bak jadi dalam kalian, buat hari ni hari berapa ini, kuah ya piba penera ya kejemjom. Pilih kepadang tiap Malaysia orang ya Mynken school, pilih keman ya kejela, but ya kerja hi baru kau. Berkoi lepas, baruan pai selagi, but trofi jemjom. Kenapa? Dalam keburung, ikan beriu, dalam keburung ikajala, bagi kerjahi berokui. Publik berkui bi kubik semua.
Kita juga Dewan Pilihan Malang, masa asyong merumbang. Yang kecil Pynkhreh jungi, ngilah Pynkhreh nak cendon Leit yo. Ni dan lang di serbobi, serkermel, entah di pelihan hibrok kiway, kan ringut ngilah dan. Nilai Pynkhreh bah, coba ngin na ngin jela jungi bangun yoban Leit persen ya kan dia sya Paris te gajing temu hidungi te minelek ban tristom iwe kenang ba dan dalawan paina Paris ngin yoban wan rak bat ke trofi te amnukong langsung ayung boleh bala ayang kalat ke ba kasyan yang iwe bangila yok ban Leit kemat ya kari sya Paris nda ngai ke blaya ka sport ka circle berjeri bade bapet ya pan sport ta ngai ke blay ya sar bobi anang bet bela day by coach ini kan ringot ngidon di coach head coach day sar Bubi al-Nongbat tentang ay kubli ya ka school Mynken ke bala ay ngi kalat ke ba nadu district ngila Ïakhun sa district ubel dong ba jong ka school Mynken but nang tu ngi ya ngi job na district ngi poi state level nang ba de jing sibenta jong ka school.
A big round of applause for MFA for their kind support. Thank you on behalf of the team. Very blessed. It's going to be a very interesting journey, and we pray that you learn and you come up with flying colors. Thank you very much, boys.